Do you like it? That's your present from Mommy and Daddy for your second birthday. It's a steering wheel.
Open.
He squealed with delight when it came. Look, it goes like this.
Oh, open. Let's open this one.
It goes this way. Let go.
Let's open this.
Ooh!
Let's open a fire.
It's like a fire truck. Logan. Logan, do you like it? Do you like it? I guess that's a silent yes. Are you driving? You driving your car? Wow! You see, I guess he likes it.